raising $250 for this, right?
No, 200. 200, then 275 to slime.
200 for pie in Sheena's eye. 200. So give yourselves a hand.
Woo!
Go us.
Sheena, I'm gonna drop it. Just do it like this. Okay. Here we go. Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Alright.
Your goggles were supposed to
Ready to slime? I guess. She's so into this. Slime me, please.
Slime her with one hand?
Here, let me kick it up for you.
left-handed.
Yeah.
She was like,
You're going to be able to handle that, Dr. Cook.
slime me and pie me. Now this is for $275 for Relay to Life. I don't know, it just poured off it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody open her shirt.
It's chunky. And it's going down her shirt.
They're so hot.
More?
Yeah, that's sure.
Wow.
Just dump it.
Dr. Cook, just like get the one-handed lunge.
I'm afraid I'll get it on me too.
That was so unfair.
Hold on.
Oh!
That's awesome. Nice.
Shampoo.
Nice. So give Sheena a hand.
Woo!
And congratulations to your cook. And last but not least,
Who's actually bidding the pie cook?
I think
Who has money? I'll do it.
I have money.
Yeah.
I think
Did you bring any cash?
good.
Yeah, how much you need?
His answer.
I bet $1 to pie her.
Somebody help me get dressed.
I got some on me.
Brad, help me get dressed.
You want 20 bucks?
Hide.
$20. $20
It's for charity.
It is for charity.
$10 to pie cook.
Can you get my
For the
bag?
sorry
The
bid,
green
20.
towel that
Yeah,
right in
20.
the front. Is that open
I
already?
bid 22. Come on, Greg Carl. I'll give you my 10 if you want.
You want to buy her? You can buy her if you want.
No, I don't really care. I was trying to raise some stakes.
What are we up to?
We're up to 22. Come on, Dr. Wilson.
Brad.
This is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
$40. I'll pay $40 to pie you.
Dr. Cook, why don't you just keep your hand inside the...
Good idea.
I'll put in 10 more.
I mean, it's your face.
Check it out. What's up with that?
Hey, can we?
That's good. It's
Dr. Cook,
Okay,
can we?
ready?
No, I want my hair covered too. I got to drive to Pittsburgh.
I'll put in 10 just to watch it.
Somebody put that stupid hair cap on her. I feel so
She
good.
is. Fantastic. She has money.
Take your glasses off.
Put the hood up.
If you got 10.
Wow.
You ready?
I get it. Whoa, whoa. That was not part of the deal. Okay, wait now. Congratulate. This is only because.
We raised a lot.
553. 553.11. Cassie sent me the last.
Plus, how much did this cost? How much was this?
30 bucks.
30 bucks. 563.11. Thank you. Ready?
Countdown,
Be
people.
gentle. Wait, let me get this.
This needs a 10.
10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's take a picture together. Go.
Let's get a picture taken.
I feel so gross.
Sorry, I'm like...
I want to wait.